In this video, I will show you how to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Cash App on your device, and from the home screen, if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, you want to click onto this picture of like a little clock to be taken to your activity page. So from your activity page, you're going to see a list of your transactions. What you want to do is locate the transaction as pending that you want to cancel. Go ahead and press onto it and it's going to bring up a screen like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is go and click onto the three dots up in the top right hand corner. And if the option is available, you're going to see the option to cancel the payment. So what you would do is go ahead and press onto cancel payment and then confirm that you want to cancel this payment. Now, if for any reason you don't see this option, what you're going to have to do is actually submit a request for a refund for the payment. So to do that, you want to get in touch with Cash App support and you'll be able to submit the request via the live chat feature, which is available on the Cash App actual app on your device. And once you've gone ahead and done that, they will look into that and see if it's actually possible to cancel that payment, or alternatively refund the payment if needed. So that's how to go ahead and cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.